Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany, and today we're going to plan out the week of May 9th through the 15th. I am going to be using this kit from Simply Smith Stickers. I have the icons, the glitter headers, the appointment labels, the bottom washi, super cute, looks like little sprinkles, the sidebar things. We have two different date cover options, the sampler page here, the full boxes and half boxes. I love this kit, it's so bright. And then we have all of the washi. So you have thicker washi and then really, really thin washi down below. So I am going to set this kit up, just the base of it, and then we will get back into the planning. Alright, so that is what the base of this kit laid out as. This is from Simply Smith Stickers as well. You can see I didn't have my little ruler thing, so I just grabbed another planner. It works. You just, fake it till you make it, guys. Alright, so the reason I chose this kit is because I am going to be setting up my new planners this weekend, hopefully, if everything still goes right. So I thought this would kind of be a really cool kit just to kind of show that we're not doing much else this week. We just have a whole bunch of baseball, all the games. Tell you what, I feel like I live at the baseball field, which is fine. I mean, the kids really like it, so all is well. That's what we signed up to do, so we are doing it. Let's go ahead and do the workouts up here. These layouts, they're gonna be basically the same. My life is the same every single week, and I don't hate it. Obviously, I like to plan out my weeks and have them ready, and when my plans don't change, I kind of know what to expect. So this is okay with me. So these scripts, the workout scripts with the check boxes, those are from Simply Smith Stickers. So are these little pencils. They have school. She does have some that say no school as well. So if that's something you're looking for. So on Monday, work and trash is the only other thing that I need to put in. Let's go ahead and use this pink one here. Trash day somewhere, there it is. And then she does have a little icon here. I love these colors. They are very bright. They like scream at you, but I really like them. And then work. So this week I do work on Saturday, so that's not super fun, but like I said, I hope to dive in to setting up my planners this weekend. I'm not obviously going to start planning in them. That's crooked, and I'm just not realizing it. Let's see if I can put it down a little bit straighter. Probably not. There we go. All right, so in the evening, we do have a game. How do I want to do this? I think I'm going to use this. Do I want to use this? Actually, it's just Mackenzie. So let's put this down. And then I do have these little scripts. So this is a new font to her shop. It's so dainty, which is why I kind of like it, because it looks like handwriting, but my handwriting doesn't look like that. So we're going to put Mackenzie, and then I have a game at script. And then I have these little balls from Sticker Mama. I love them. So I'm just going to put that there. Or do I want to use a label? I have more labels than I do these things. So let's do that. Just joking. Hang on. Because I only have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, and I need 4, so that's not going to work. Half box is what I was going to say. It's fine. We'll use this. So I'm going to use this little ball, cover this up, and then game at. I know you're supposed to like put the times in there, but we do things how I want over here. And then I will write the game time in. So that's it for Monday. I'm not going to go to bar or anything like usual. I'm not even going to go to bar until like the 25th of this month. And I'm not, not real excited, but my kids are more important than working out. Okay, so workout, school, and then work, and then preschool. So I have preschool here. And then I go to work there, and then we have one game here. So let's kind of do the same thing. This is going to be for Kason. You know, when I was pregnant with him, and like I told everybody what I wanted to name him, everybody hated it. Like, they did not understand why I wanted it, and I don't know, I just really like that name. And we went to his last game, and there was 3 Kasons there. I'm like, what the heck? How come I got so much crap, but everybody else has the same name? It was weird. Oh, and I need to do my husband's schedule. Guys, I'm all over the place. So he's actually going in to work overtime on this day. So he was actually going to work Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday this week. Alright, sorry about that quick, abrupt ending. My daughter came running down the stairs because her controller stopped working, and therefore she couldn't skip the ads on Netflix. Anyways, it's a whole thing. So back to the planning. I did, while I was sitting here, obviously the heater kicked on too, so I was just sitting here staring at this, and I realized these little appointment labels were not taking up the space very well, so I did go ahead and put those on half boxes. So I am just going to go work here, and then on Wednesday we have 2 games, so I am going to do another half box. Now hopefully both of these fit, I don't know. So I have Braden and Mackenzie. So Braden's is at 6. And then Mackenzie's is at 7. So what do I do? Because I don't think this is big enough for both of them. Let me do... These are so delicate. Let me put his a little up there, maybe. So Braden game at. And then, I don't think this is going to fit. I might have to play around with this. That's fine. So I'll just put the games there. Game times there. Little baseball sticker. Alright, and then Thursday, let's go ahead and do my little workouts. These are going very well. We actually did some advanced workouts this week, or this past week, and yeah, I thought we were good to go, and turns out we still suck. Not really. We are making progress. So the girl I work out with, she's a lot smaller than I am. So she's not going to lose a ton of weight, but like you can tell she's she's getting more toned, and that's what she wants, because like I said, she's tiny. So I'm the one that needs to lose weight and tone and do all the things, but her, you can definitely tell. So we took her measurements, and she's like, oh, look at me go. And I was like, yeah, because what was mine? I think I lost like 5 inches this month. My weight has not, it's been fluctuating the same, like 6 pounds. Like I can lose and gain 4 pounds in like a day, but it just keeps fluctuating. So I don't even look at my pounds lost anymore, but I did lose 5 more inches on my whole body. So that's good. So I guess it's still going, but, I did just get an email from Peloton, and we're coming up on our 50th class, so that's exciting. Or, well, our 50th strength class. I would like to get into some of the other things, but strength is what we need right now because we get plenty of cardio in my class. She comes to my class, so we get plenty there. What am I doing Thursday? So Thursday, I'm actually teaching my class, and then my husband is taking Braden to his game. So let's go ahead and put this here, and then Braden's game. So I will probably take the other 2 with me and then just take them that way. Oh my gosh, guys, this is a whole mess. My phone ran out of memory. So I think you left off here. I was saying that I will take the other 2 to dance class with me, and then my husband can watch the game, and then we will all just go back and finish watching the game because they're about 2 hours long. And then, like I said, he is off. I'll work out, drop the kids off at school, go to work, and then I'll get paid, teach dance class. And then for this, now the excitement's already gone since I already said it, but I am going to be filming my my plan with me, or not my plan with me, my setup for the daily duos. So I know I said that before, but I also am going to be trying the teacher planner. I think it's like one of the focused ones that I'm looking at. I've never used them before, but I don't know what's calling to me that I need to try this, but I'm going to try that out as well. So I'm going to play around with that, but this space is just for filming my daily duo setup. If I like, the focus planner, I'm getting a sheet from Gwen. She is sending me a week's spread or a couple weeks spread of one of the teacher planners, just so I can see if I like it or not, because I've always, ever since I started, I've only used Vertical Planner. Then I got into the daily duos, and now I'm kind of leaning towards I need a teacher focus planner. I don't know why. Anyways, Saturday I'm going to dance, and then I have to go to work for a couple hours. I just have one client. And then Saturday evening, nothing much, but you guys know the drill. It is cleaning day at my house, so I will be doing that here. So we will put that, and then I'm just going to use her little to clean, and probably, I want to use the sprinkles. I don't know why I love these little sprinkles, but they're adorable. So I'm just going to put this here, mark it off, and then I don't think we're doing anything Sunday. I just got to get some groceries, but that's really it. So I am going to film my next week's plan with me as well, so I do want to put that in here. And then I do have these little girls from Sticker 11 here. Her shop is currently on a break, but she will be back, and she has new things, so that'll be cool. And then, like I said, I just have to get groceries, and let's just use, I think she has an icon. Where are they at? There they are. Bright purple grocery bag. Cool. I'm down with it. Purple is my favorite color. That is another reason why I love this kit so much. So put that there. Put this here. And then I think that's it. I don't have to weigh in this week. I don't do that until the 3rd. I could put this little laundry basket here. That's cute. I guess I could put these little spray bottles just to kind of decorate a little bit. But I think that's it. So like I said, I'm excited for this weekend coming up because I get to play and set up my duos. So like I said, if I do like that focus planner, I might show my spreads on Instagram, but I'm not going to be making plan with me's on them. But anyways, let's focus on this week. Let's get this week started, and then we will get to the fun stuff. So again, this kit is from Simply Smith Stickers. I do have a new freebie from her shop, so you get this, and then I do have a freebie for Sticker Mama, so that's where I got these little baseballs from. So that's super cute. Just mention me in the notes to either shop, and you can get one of those. I hope you guys had a good Mother's Day, and I hope you guys have a great week. If you guys get your new planners, I hope you guys can set them up and play with them like I am. I hope you have a good week again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.